Hello everyone, welcome to St. Michael's School. Today we have with us one of our proud alumni, Mr. Mohammad Ehsan Nawaz Baksh from the batch 2023. He has made our school very proud in his remarkable achievements in powerlifting and bodybuilding. Let's begin from the start. We are here with Mr. Ehsan Nawaz Baksh. How was your school days and how you started of have a career in bodybuilding and uh, powerlifting?
First of all, thank you so much for honoring. In my school days, I was like to play cricket. I have much interest in a cricket.
Okay.
So when I was in seventh or eighth class, I used to go to the clubs also.
Okay.
But due to some reasons, I stopped playing. But like बोलते हैं ना धीरे धीरे यू आर शिफ्टिंग फ्रॉम वन टू अनदर. सो धीरे धीरे मेरे को क्या है जिम फिटनेस की तरफ थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्ट आने लगा.
Okay.
सो व्हेन आई वाज इन 11th, मैंने बुआ के पास जाके मैंने बोला कि लाइक आई हैव टू गो टू जिम, फिटनेस में थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट है. देन यू नो टिपिकल इंडियन माइंडसेट,
Yes. Yes.
they are saying after 18 you should go,
Mm.
your height will be stopped.
Okay.
Yeah. So when I was completed my 12th, then I start used to go to the gym.
Okay.
Like in starting, I doesn't feel anything. I just want to become like a normal fitness. I want to live a healthy lifestyle. That's it. But when I got addicted to one of the most and overrated or underrated exercise, that is called deadlift.
Mm.
So from there, I started my career. My life whole point is changed from that one exercise. So I have researched more about thing. I got to know that there is a powerlifting, and it consists of three sports: bench, dead, and squats.
Okay.
So from there, I used to got interest in powerlifting as a sabua. Then, after starting my college, it helps me a lot for this. मतलब like एक सहारा मेरे को मिल गया बोलते हैं ना.
Motivation.
या
था.
मोटिवेशन.
Okay.
ऐसे सब से मेरा करियर पूरा मतलब उसी के तरफ वो
So
बिल्ड हो
that's why
गया.
you
या
chose
या
this field.
यस. बट बचपने से मेरा मतलब स्पोर्ट्स में ही थोड़ा सा
Interest.
इंटरेस्ट था.
Okay. Are you in this career now? Are you pursuing it as a career option, bodybuilding and powerlifting, or you are thinking of something else?
I was thinking about career. Like I want
You
more
want to
medal
pursue
for, yeah,
into this?
more medal for my country.
Okay. So you are going to
That
do
is,
in this.
yeah, my
Okay.
last aim is that I have to aim more gold for my country's
Ah,
medals.
that's very nice. Very proud of you after hearing this. What do you want to tell the other student in our school how to achieve their dreams? What is your thought about them? What is your message about it?
I only tell one thing: just start.
Just start.
Just start. अगर आप किसी काम को करने का इच्छा करते हो, आप टालो मत, आप स्टार्ट करो.
Oh, that's a good
Yeah.
point. Yes.
And one thing I should tell all the youngster, not about this school, all the youngster,
Yes.
you have one mindset, that is, if you are getting down, if your time is bad, you have a courage to rebuild it again and again and again.
Yes. Kids
Don't
are
get
nowadays very get easily demotivated.
yes,
Yes.
don't demotivate. Like after one incident, your life is not over.
Yes, that's true. That's
Yes,
true. Yes.
you have the ability to start it again and regain all the things what you have achieved. That thing
What you want
I'm.
to achieve.
Yes.
Yes. You have to overcome with your
Yeah.
obstacles, right? Yeah.
Yes.
How was the journey of powerlifting? Is it hard? Is it easy for you? Or it was okay, okay,
I will not say it's easy or mid. It was tough.
tough?
Tough. When like आप किसी प्रोग्राम के लिए आप एक्सरसाइज करते हो,
Hmm.
if you get that period of time and you have to achieve more and more weight to compete and to overcome all the participant, you will face all the thing like demotivation. Sometimes क्या होता है कि हम वेट हमारा टारगेटेड रहता है बट ड्यू टू सम रीजंस
Hmm.
हम एबल नहीं हो पाते,
Hmm.
तो उस चीज़ को लेके हम मतलब माइंडसेट थोड़ा सा डगमगाता है।
कंसिस्टेंट नहीं
या
रह पाते हैं,
या
राइट?
तो वो सब चीज़ों को लेके मैं यही बोलूँगा कि इट्स नॉट इजी,
हाँ,
इट्स टफ।
स्टाफ।
या एंड अगर आप कोई कोच हायर नहीं कर रहे हो या ट्रेनर पीटी हायर नहीं कर रहे हो, देन इट इज़ लाइक रिस्क बढ़ जाता है आपकी इंजरी को
ओके
लेके।
ओके ओके,
एंड इन बिटवीन ऑफ prep, if you get injured, then
दैट्स
it's
अ बिग थिंग,
yeah.
राइट? हाँ. Are you under any coach while you were training for powerlifting and bodybuilding?
Yeah, I have two different coach
Two different
for
coaches.
bodybuilding one and for powerlifting another.
Okay. Now you have reached here as a bodybuilder and powerlifter.
Yes,
So from before that, when you have started,
yes.
how was your family, friends, and everybody around you? Were they supportive?
Uh, for family, I want to tell that like it's a natural thing कि हर फैमिली का मेंबर यही चाहता है कि हमारा बच्चा आगे बढ़े, एक सेटल हो जाए
जी
और अच्छे से मतलब इनकम आ जाए और बढ़िया सी लाइफ अपनी बाकी लाइफ जिए।
जी
बट इन इंडिया वी कैन सी दैट इतना मतलब स्पोर्ट्स को वो नहीं दिया जाता अकॉर्डिंग टू इंडियन फैमिली, जब तक कुछ मतलब बिग थिंग अचीव नहीं होता। बट मैं ये भी नहीं बोलूँगा कि मेरे फैमिली ने सपोर्ट नहीं करा। दे वर लाइक थोड़ा रहता है ना डर भी और थोड़ा सपोर्टिव नेचर।
हेजिटेशन होती है
या
ना चीजों को
यस
लेकर। यू वर इन द स्कूल, राइट, इन सेंट माइकल्स?
यस
Anyone, any teacher who motivates you, who was your inspirational? Anyone who thought that yes, this is like a mentor to me? मतलब मेरे लिए सबसे मतलब अच्छे गुरु यही हैं जिनसे मैं किसी भी चीज को लेकर के, अपनी परेशानी को लेकर के बात कर सकता हूँ. Anyone who was there for you?
आई थिंक इट्स दिनेश सर।
Dinesh sir, no?
या
Your sports teacher,
यस
right?
यस
Yes. How was your terms and how was with him talking and all?
ही इज लाइक जस्ट अ फ्रेंड बट लाइक बोलते हैं टीचर और स्टूडेंट का एक दायरा भी रहना चाहिए।
जी.
वी आर मेंटेनिंग दैट ऑल्सो।
Okay. He was your inspirational from the
यस
school. That's nice, very nice. Nowadays, I want to ask you, you're
यस
now a power lifter and bodybuilder. How is it happened actually? You can become a power lifter or a bodybuilder. Is it there any steps or criteria which you can follow and go through the power lifting? Go in your category actually.
यस
Yes.
so basically like as compared to other sport, in this sport there is no level like if you want to play national you just register and you can play national.
Like that only.
Yeah, you don't have to across district, state,
Direct.
then
You can go direct.
but direct.
Okay.
But you have one any background of sports like level, if it's district or state it will work.
ओके. एहसान, जैसे कि हमने सुना है कि आपने नेपाल यूथ स्पोर्ट चैंपियनशिप में पार्टिसिपेट किया था एंड आपने गोल्ड भी हासिल किया है, तो वो आप जर्नी बताइए, वहाँ कैसा रहा, आप क्या एक्सपीरियंस आपको मिला वहाँ से?
तो स्पोर्ट्स में हर कोई एथलीट होता है, नर्वस होता है
हम्म.
बैक स्टेज में
हम्म.
कि वो कैसा परफॉर्म करेगा, क्या
Yes.
होगा, कैसा होगा। बट एथलीट एथलीट की नज़र से देखें, अगर कोई एथलीट जीतता है, गोल्ड जीतता है, तो वो क्रेडिट सबको देता है,
हम्म.
लाइक यू, स्कूल, कोच,
Yes.
फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली।
Yes.
बट जब कोई एथलीट हार जाता है, तो वो सारा जिम्मा अपने ऊपर ले लेता है कि इट्स ऑल फॉर मी, कि मैंने अपना अच्छा ये नहीं दिया। तो बट ये सब चीज़ों से ओवरकम करके, और करना भी चाहिए लोगों को, तब जब तक आप कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं होगे तब तक आप अपने आप को वहाँ उस जगह में बेस्ट नहीं दिखा पाओगे। तो दैट्स द रीज़न आई गॉट गोल्ड एंड आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू गॉड ऑल्सो। तो बाकी इन वन वर्ड आई विल से द जर्नी वॉज गुड।
So, any message to everyone who is who wants to achieve their dreams and who wants to pursue in any field? Any message?
सिंपल मंत्र, डिसिप्लिन इज ग्रेटर देन मोटिवेशन।
Yes.
and you should have one attitude in your personality that अगर आपका डाउनफॉल चल रहा है, आप एकदम ज़ीरो पे हो, स्क्रैच पे हो, यू हैव दैट एबिलिटी टू रिबिल्ड इट अगेन, होना चाहिए, ताकि वो चीज़ आपको मोटिवेटेड करता है, और मोटिवेटेड होगे तो आप धीरे धीरे डिसिप्लिन के स्टेयर पे चढ़ना शुरू कर दोगे. बट व्हेन यू अचीव डिसिप्लिन, देन नो वन कैन स्टॉप यू. Discipline is the only key, not even motivation. Motivation is just like a dopamine hit.
Oh, not that
आज रहेगा, कल नहीं रहेगा,
tomorrow will be.
but discipline is every day.
Discipline makes it consistent.
Okay, Hafsan. So congratulations
Thank
for
you,
your
brother.
great achievement. And how do you feel after getting, a wonderful, appreciation and acceptance in an international level? How do you feel that?
I'm feeling like I'm living my normal life. I don't feel like I have achieved this much thing, but
If
okay.
Okay. I also appreciate you of having gone from a very small town like a Kanga to an international level. And also, it's like kind of a very proud moment for us, that telling that you are a student from St. Michael's Higher Secondary School, and you spent your school life
Yes.
enjoying here, and for being principal of the school, in the name of all the staff and students of St. Michael's School, I also congratulate you for a wonderful
Thank you.
achievement. And I hope and wish that may you achieve even greater heights, and even our more again and again participate in different competitions, and you may be successful in that. Okay, I wish you all the best.
Yes.
May God bless you
Thank you, Father.
and wish you all the best.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so
so
much
much.
for honor this.
Thank you.